omuntu nchandete mono otumiete abasikari bobe omuntu okorokoro Gachagua babone yonjo kande mumaite ngaki bayonjo ndoko manga babo soro mbaje bamwirenga
ya baba ready kaba
ono twarati girega bunga serikali ya kolega asia obo mo gochumutuga iga ebokongete nobo sana lakini tusabire Nyasaye ngaki tusabire Nyasaye atokonye mna atokwana ojimutu. I want to thank abantu bali batekanire na
mumanyeti mumaiti ngigendrete wona njengo kuoneke ngigendrete taringa ngange tonde bwenzi serikali ya UDO maete nenyameni bwate mumaite ngakibambuwania emyaka erenga ebere lakini Nyasaye omuntu ori ngotumya abasikari bobe omuntu orengi gotumya abasikari bobe mpaka ekera chichifu cyache tubone bakabarikira show cause letters ebaye njogete na ende tuwasa Nyasaye akore wanje kwaye ndio wana ile na ende ndio mbashwe ekero burai tiga kuchaya abantu bande sika abantu naliyeko babya umuntu arudenga Kenya niye gishya ole nga akaragocha kusiga ya devinga na letire chia makwani wege tunu igoro bono aye no murayocho riko wege tunu igoro buyek osenke nyingima nga omanyete intwe n'abantu baminto abantu gopisha na nino ntuntu alenga abayibi abange chichera lakini bona matukaya abagusimu abere abayibi abange chera ikiyana kyocha watete to basa Nyasaye njo wanje kwae ewichegocha abarayi bali barororo na libuto aranyore no aruta na anyora sako yanira manyanga no tiga no serikali boli wala tinda kuwa na ina mangana Kenya kwanza tingo kuwa na mangana ODM muma yatenda yewe kirokia kerekiek muma yatobol obo deputy party wakia makiek kwana buya kwana na maringo
where, you know, for 2 years, we have been having tribulations, big tribulations in the county. But I'm happy, to some extent, they have come to an end, or they have altered. Some of the people wanted, inflicted pain, either indirectly or indirectly. God willing, this week, they'll be going back to the mountain. We wish them well. This country belongs to all of us. Today I saw when we were graduating here, young people from Kapsabet graduating at Irongo. You know, it's in the remote place here, in the bus stand. A lady from, I think, Bomet, Temtai. The boy was Lanai. Temtai was graduating. Ogola from CI, they were graduating here. That's the country all of us would want to live in. Kwa hivyo mambo ya ukabila nyingi tupoteze, tuachane nayo. Going forward few positions again, I want to say this. I've looked for, and I'm looking for, I want to announce here, people who would recruit to be chief officers. But particularly this is reserved for women, because men have enough. And the good thing for my officers, for those ones who know very well they are under discipline watch, please, instead of you waiting until you are dismissed, after that you resign, you put a by the time we are dismissing you, na hatucheki na mtu yoyote. Hata nyinyi, you would want a disciplined baby. If I loosen myself as a governor, you can imagine how wrongly our country is. I'm ready to walk the tightrope. Watu wetu kutoka wengine contractors, as I said, there are more contracts. I'm sure you will see them being advertised. I've refused direct contracts because sasa kuambiwa Simba alipia kazi yake dada yake, no, hapana. We be competitive. Kama inawezekana for the contractors, tafadhali you can join us. Kama mnapendana, bid for a tender, get it, execute it, and do it. And we are ready to do that. For my good officers, tafadhali. Naambiwa kuna officer mmoja alikuwa anaambia one of my person here, tafadhali ambia governor awachilie kukanyaga hiyo pipe sana. Amekanyaga sana. And this is a person I came in with, a whole chief officer. Anaambia tafadhali ambia governor awachilie pipe. Naambia now afadhali DG ni mzito kidogo. Speak. Allow those forces utakanyaga hiyo pipe mpaka ikauke. Eke ungu kyo wili, eke yare, eke yare, mpaka mbara yege, they are not believe that was the beehive of activities of corruption. Today, people have not believed we have stopped the theft today. You better know we will not allow it. KTRA today, we don't give them a penny from the executive. They are running their own budget, except paying salaries for the doctors. We've said we are going to, I'm happy, the board is here. The board again very soon will be having a chairman. I think there will be an advert. Therefore, what I'm looking forward to is to see promotions zinafanywa kwa haki. Mnajua the other board bili kile nyumbani. Watu hawamini, mimi tu nitakenea hiyo pale. Tafadhali msiombe ongo for promotion. Kila mtu atosheke na hali yake. Kama unataka kuwa gavana, kuja 27, pishana na mimi, kuniangusha, I support you, yeye mfanye. Lakini nashindwa, how will you be able to lead me on this? Nakumbuka wengi hapa sisi mjinga. Yes. Unakumbuka? Lakini sisi nilianguka naye. Huyu mtu wangu alikuwa mtu mbaya, lakini sisi ni mzuri. Mtu wangu. Kwa hivyo mwili kitu wangu ni ideali za good man. Mchezo. Yeye ananiambia ukweli. Wale wazopiko wale wananiambia ukweli, kama na hiyo kimeinua mkono. And I'm happy. Want to live with